Okay, here we go. We're going to start out with vocabulary. Was it this class that I made you guys watch the vocabulary video?
No.
Okay, we'll do that later. When my boys were super small, they watched that video with the parrot. We watched it here, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch it again.
I don't know, guys. You were not super impressed when we watched it before. Maybe you were absent.
Oh, yeah, that bird that's named Larry.
Yep, his name is Vocabulary. Like,
Oh, that's cool.
Larry is his. Okay.
I'm gonna name my cat Larry.
So we've got our input, which is the x value of the ordered pair. Also has one other name that Evelyn remembered. What was it, Evelyn? Domain. Good. Don't forget to write the next part.
Oh. He's just sitting in here right by you.
No, it wasn't.
He was right behind me. I thought I was gonna get like murdered if I did
Mr.
something
Boyd.
wrong. I was like,
Okay, so then we also have our output.
oh, what? Yeah. No, we're just talking about it.
Yes, you can.
Sure, or you can just like turn them up a little bit. Like just like twist that up a little bit, and it'll move the light. Is that better? There you go. Yeah. You got the input and the output. If you go and like Google that video and you look at the comments, they are hilarious. The people that are like, "This scarred me for life. I can't believe my teacher made me watch this."
What video?
The metamorphosis video.
Can we look at them?
If we have time at the end.
No, we got for silent ball.
Oh man, so many things. Hey, is it a bones day or not? No bones day.
Yeah, why don't we just have it in the background?
It's no bones. I don't know what happens when
that-
when that dog
Noodle okay?
Probably not. He's like 13, so.
I mean, he's probably had many, many years of bones days,
Who? Let's soak up our last day.
right? Noodle.
Noodle. That's that funny.
Uh-huh.
We should have a bones or no bones.
It's all about their mom saying I'm calling.
I say a no bones day.
Oh,
What?
wait,
I don't remember what it means.
I thought it was like
Okay, so relation is a way of pairing inputs and outputs. So you're putting, we had ordered pairs up there. A table of values. And then we even have something called a mapping, which we'll talk about here in a couple minutes. So you're probably most familiar with ordered pairs and tables of values, but maybe not mapping. A mapping is just it kind of looks like a table, sort of. And then we come to the word function, which is a special relation where every input has only one output. Which seems kind of like, well, yeah, every input has an output. But the catch is that you can't have inputs that repeat. Right? So you can't have we'll do examples in a second, but the inputs have to be one value for each input. They cannot repeat. So a really easy way to remember that is the x values cannot repeat. Okay, I'm going to go on to the next page. Okay. I'm really disappointed. Miley said she'd be here today.
I'm not. I got the best
Here.
in the house.
She's not here. I said, see you tomorrow. And she said, maybe. I took that as a yes.
Well, maybe.
Wait,
She,
maybe
actually,
again.
you're gonna get very mad, and I'm mad at her right now because she told me we hung out yesterday night at 7 to 11, and she told me. Well, I told her I might not go to school. I'm not feeling so well, and she was like, "No, you're coming to school." And I was like, "I will, as long as you go." She's like, "I will." And so when I was dropping her off, I said, "You better be at school tomorrow." She said, "I will." And I called her third period,
Mm-hmm.
and I was like, "Where are you at?" She said, "I'm at my house." I was like, "Come to school right now." She said, "I don't know." I said, "Now."
She's not here.
Yeah,
So you text her and say, Mrs. Marsh said you had a deal, and you broke it. So
I'm mad at her too.
the deal was like, are you coming tomorrow? And she said maybe. That was the deal.
But she told me yes.
I know. I don't have a choice either. Okay. Okay. We're going to play a game.
Ooh.
We have to write this.
Yep.
There was nothing.
Is tomorrow
It is.
Tomorrow's December 16th.
Evil,
Can I just time travel to Christmas? Yep.
I don't think that's a
Then
thing.
you-
But then your parents have to like buy the
We'll figure it
Game time.
out. Go back in time.
You guys, so I think, did I tell you I've become obsessed with TikTok?
No.
Did I tell you that?
Oh,
you
have?
Stay away from
So
me.
here's the thing. I only watch like funny mom videos or like dog videos. And
Understandable.
my dog did something yesterday, and I'm like, I think I could totally put this on TikTok.
Oh my god, you did
Oh
not.
my.
I didn't. No, I didn't,
Oh.
but I think I could. Do you want to see what it is?
Yes,
Yes.
What is it?
Okay, just wait.
That was a
And
Please put it on TikTok. Can we follow you?
Dog
Hey,
is
can
a
I
big-
What?
Yeah, can we follow you on
Here,
TikTok?
I'm gonna put it up here. Okay. And now the at-home viewers get to see
Can
it.
we follow you on TikTok?
I don't post anything.
Okay,
Post
but can we
it.
still,
Doesn't
like,
matter.
can we still like follow you?
What does it mean if I don't post anything? Like if you're following me, is that anything?
we're just like following you.
Like you just want to boost my numbers?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your number now?
I don't have any
We want to
followers.
make you
Oh.
TikTok famous.
Okay, so here's my dog. And he came out of the pantry with goldfish crackers.
Oh my goodness. That silly goose.
Like what?
Oh.
What is he
I love how
thinking?
stares at you.
So cute.
Yeah. Here he
Okay,
goes.
wait, what's your TikTok? Can we follow you?
I don't know what it is.
Go to your TikTok.
Go to your
account.
Hold on. I think we need to watch
Yeah,
this
I
again
saw
so you guys can
cute.
get the full. He's in there. He's hanging out. He's shopping. He comes out with goldfish crackers.
Aw. Just
Give us the
We don't
TikTok.
You guys, I don't do anything. I don't post anything.
Why were you getting TikTok? Please make a TikTok with you.
We'll make you so famous.
Yes, in like 6th grade, we had this sub
We'll have like a
TikTok,
million
and we
TikTok
followed and
followers
made a bunch of
and, like,
TikToks on it.
Addison Rainbow.
It says there's 13 people following me. How is that a thing? I don't do anything.
Random people following you.
What? I never posted anything.
You're
Give us your account.
You guys.
How many followers?
What's it called?
Okay, I have to tell you guys something. Okay, at home viewers.
Can I follow you, please?
Yeah, I know.
Listen, I don't post anything.
We want to follow you.
What does that mean? Does that mean you see what I like? You follow what I'm watching, or
No.
When you post, we just follow your account.
I don't post anything.
Well, you should.
You should because then if we follow you, then that means like we're friends.
Is that what it means?
Yeah.
Let me think about it. Let me think about it. But here's the thing. So I suggested to the
I
other.
don't want you to see our TikToks.
I don't want to. I would never. I've never seen anybody I know on TikTok. I've never. So here's the thing. I suggested to the other team teachers that if we met a certain goal on the food drive, that we should do one of those like dancing TikToks.
Yes, please.
And nobody wanted to do it. None of the other teachers wanted to do it. I was like, you guys, it'd be really funny, and they'd probably bring in a lot of canned food to see us on a TikTok, and they're like, nah, we're not willing to do that.
We'll do it. That would have motivated us like so much.
I'm telling you, they said no. Like they don't want. Like that would be the teachers doing it.
I have a sliver.
We should make it.
Listen, they said no. There's nothing. I mean, I thought I was like after a weekend of binging TikTok, I was like, this would be amazing because there's a lot of teachers that do funny things on there. Nope. Yeah.
Tomorrow, can I bring Sandy to school?
Yes.
It's her Among Us thing.
It's, this is an ordered pair. This is a relation. So we have fancy brackets, and then we have some ordered pairs here.
I hate no, it's not ordered pair. Is that 0, 1?
Yep. Yep.
Am I gonna have to draw those a lot?
Just do the best you can.
Can I like make something up? Draw a unicorn.
What? I think a unicorn is gonna be harder to draw.
Instead of drawing brackets,
Yeah. Can I draw a line?
It's just like a
I mean, just try to do like a little squiggle. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Squigs? Mine looks like someone's kissing, like it's like a nose and like a chin, like that.
Okay. All right, so remember, we're focusing on our x values, our inputs. Every input has to have one output, meaning that our x values cannot repeat. So when we look at this, we can say the x values don't repeat. Every input has one output. So, is it a function? Yes. It is a game. Function or not a function, it's in the title.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but
What do you guys think it was going to be? Like, Price is Right?
You just said yes. Yeah.
It is fun.
Seems like it.
What?
I thought it was like a game
Silent
with like
ball.
points.
Miss Marcia, that's fun.
Silent ball.
Yeah.
That is fun. Even
Let's
though
see.
you're not silent.
Hey,
Yeah.
Seriously.
can we play for 5 minutes?
Talking
in the class. Yeah.
And we have enough
And in the
time.
social.
You
We need a brain break.
Yeah.
I
Well, 6 years minutes. 5 minutes.
have a question.
5.
Okay, guys, we have 2 more examples and then you can play silent ball.
Okay, let's hurry.
Okay.
2 more examples.
Are you okay?
Watch us not get through.
Are you guys okay? No, guys. Zoe, are you okay? Jillian, what did you do?
I'm so Jillian and
She's just looking at it like she looks guilty.
So we have another relation as ordered pairs. Remember our vocab, a relation.
Yep. I remember.
It's ordered pairs, table of values, mapping.
That is
It's not.
function.
It's not.
Not a function.
How do you know that, Maggie?
Because x values repeat.
Yeah, these negative ones
So true.
repeat.
Oh my
guys, on your quiz for this, it'll literally be a set like this, and it'll be like function or not a function.
When is the
When is the quiz?
What day is it today?
Today is the 30th.
So probably end of next week.
You'll just show up the next whole week.
Yeah, so like the 9th or the 10th.
Oh, I thought you meant this week.
Why? You're not gonna be here? Got things to do? The 13th is a Monday though. Nobody likes quizzes on Mondays.
No.
Yeah.
I'd rather
Yes.
do that for a later date.
Okay.
Can you just tell me which day it was for the week on?
Would it be allowed to like bring my mouse to school?
No, you cannot bring pets to school.
Michelle is actually a geometry professor, and she can take your place for a day.
Whoa.
Michelle,
Is that a threat?
Are you talking about a mouse?
Red.
I'll bring mine too. That's okay. My name is his name is
I think she's threatening your job on the mics.
I think she is. I'm
Lakes.
Dang.
you did poop a lot.
Oh, okay. I'm not surprised that you have mine.
Pete and Fran.
My mom got
Yeah.
lights while I was at school.
The way you said it makes her seem like
And now I have to take care of her like my
the
baby.
way she said it makes her seem like
They're your baby.
mouse.
Oh.
And
I don't get it.
yeah, no pets. No pets.
Michelle is not a pet.
She's a human being. Same with Juan, bro.
Juan?
Yeah.
Mean Mrs. Bone.
I'm sorry, it's not my rule, it's a school rule.
+3.
I'm sure your mouse is perfectly nice.
Then why does like they have
The
an
rules
answer?
Oh, that's different if it's like a class pet.
Well, then you should
Well, then
have
we'll make it
Zoe's
class
pet
pet.
be the class pet.
And mine.
They'll be in
Yeah, and you bring it.
It is.
You can take care
Okay.
of it.
What?
So first of all, let's look at this table of values.
It's +3.
Yeah, our rule, y equals x plus 3, right? Because we take the x value, we add 3, right? And then we can look and say, yes, this is a function because
They don't repeat.
x values do not repeat.
It's so quick. Ow.
Hey.
All done. Now give us your TikTok.
No, I'd rather push out.
I don't do anything. I think you'd be
We don't
super
care.
disappointed.
We just want to follow you on TikTok.